How do I stop Spotify from playing random songs that are not on my playlist?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to solve a common issue that most Spotify users encounter: how to stop Spotify from playing random songs that are not on your playlist. If you've been frustrated by this, then you're in the right place. We'll be breaking down the process step by step, so let's dive in.
Why is Spotify playing random songs?
Before we get to the solution, it's important to understand why Spotify might be playing random songs. This typically happens when you're listening in shuffle mode. Spotify, in an attempt to introduce you to new music, will often mix in tracks that aren't in your playlist. Additionally, if you're a free user, Spotify may play random songs as a part of its ad-supported model.
How to disable shuffle play?
Disabling shuffle play is the first step to preventing Spotify from playing random songs. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the Spotify app on your device. 2. Start playing any song from your playlist. 3. On the Now Playing screen, locate the shuffle icon. It looks like two intersecting arrows. 4. If the icon is green, shuffle is activated. To turn it off, simply tap on it. It should turn gray, indicating that shuffle mode is deactivated. Remember, shuffle mode is turned off when the shuffle icon is gray.
Using Premium to avoid random songs.
One of the biggest advantages of Spotify Premium is the ability to listen to your playlists without interruptions or random songs. If you're a free user, considering a premium upgrade could be your solution.
Creating a larger playlist.
One more workaround is to create larger playlists. Spotify tends to add in random songs if your playlist is on the shorter side, typically less than an hour. By adding more of your favorite tracks, you can avoid unwanted songs. That wraps up our guide on how to stop Spotify from playing random songs. With these simple steps, you should be able to enjoy your playlists without any unwanted surprises. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep enjoying your music your way. Happy listening!